Hi guys, welcome to Acer Technical. If you are locked out your BIOS because of a forgotten password, don't worry. In this video, I'll demonstrate a few legitimate and safe methods to reset your BIOS password. But before we start, listen carefully. Attempting to bypass security on a device you don't own, it's illegal and unethical. This guide is only for those who own their PC or have permissions to perform these operations. And be cautious when handling internal components to avoid damage. If you are unsure, consult an authorized technician or contact your device manufacturer. Now let's get started. At first, let me tell you what is the actual problem in my case. I had set a supervisor password in the BIOS to enable secure boot, but unfortunately I forget it. However, one of the easiest way to reset your BIOS password is by removing CMOS battery. To do that, first make sure your laptop is cool and stable. Next, power off your laptop completely and unplug it from the power source. Now open the laptop case carefully. Please be cautious when handling internal components to avoid damage. Once you open the case, remove and disconnect the main battery from its connector. After that, locate the CMOS battery. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it is secured by cover and two pin connector. Now, I'll be carefully removing it. It's a small round shape with cover or without cover silver battery on the motherboard. Now drain all remaining power from the system by pressing the power button. And wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, check once. Hopefully the BIOS password will be removed and your problem will be solved. If not solved, sometimes it may be necessary to turn on the laptop with the CMOS removed and plug your power adapter from the laptop's electrical outlet. Now just turn on your laptop once. Now again power off your laptop completely and unplug it from the power source. After that, check once. Hopefully the BIOS password will be removed. This method works on many desktop PCs and some laptops. If it does not work, don't worry. Let's try the next method. Some motherboards have a clear CMOS jumper, which is specifically designed for resetting BIOS settings. Here's what you need to do. Locate the BIOS reset jumper. It's usually near the CMOS battery and labeled as CLR CMOS, Clear, PWD, or Trip CMOS. Move the jumper from its default position to reset position for few seconds. After that, move it back to the default position. Now put the main battery back in. After that, close the laptop case. And plug the AC power adapter from the laptop's electrical outlet. And then power it on. This should reset the BIOS settings, including the password. If nothing else works, best idea is to contact the manufacturer. Companies like Acer, Dell, HP, and Lenovo often provides reset code based on the system serial number. Simply reach out their support team and follow the instructions. And that's it. Hopefully one of this method helped you to reset your BIOS password. If any of these solutions work for you or if you have any other tips, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.